Alright, are there any more around here? Oh, shiitake mushrooms! Oh, already clean! Come on, lids! Oh, come on, lids! Aha! Lids. This hole here leads up into the front of the pontoon in my boat, and this hole back here leads to the back. Well, this one's almost full. The only part I've put bottles in so far is the back of that far pontoon. Hopefully this will fill it so I can start on another one. If you throw them, they might break. Alright. Oh, it's so cool. More. Keep them coming, keep coming. I have to dry off the wet ones. Hey! Turkey. Alright. Try to pick dry ones. Oh, this is almost full. Because I don't want water in here forever. Alright, don't bury me. Wait, I think this one's full. I can't fit any more. Whoa, hold on. I'm trying to move them around so I can fit more. Alright, I think that's it. Wait. Oh, wait, pass me the other one? Hold on. Give me a second. Turn my camera. Alright, what's next on the mess here? Christmas lights. Okay, these ones don't work. Alright, I think one of these wires came out, yeah. Alright, one of these wires ripped out of this delicate little thing. But that's okay, because I don't want these boxes anyway. Because with these boxes, you plug in these Christmas lights, and they do all kinds of funny blinks and stuff. You have to keep pushing the button and pushing the button and pushing the button until you get them to just be solid on. And I just want them solid on. And I'm pretty sure there's there's two wires coming into the power, or coming in from the power. And I'm like 90% sure one wire goes to a wire here that goes all the way to the end, and the other wire goes through circuitry and connects to the two other wires that are connected to lights. Okay, I just checked, and one of these wires has no lights on it, just goes all the way to the end and connects to both. So that's like the common one. And then I gotta open this now. Alright, with any luck, when I plug this in, those lights will just come on solid, not blinking. Oh, excellent! So I just took the box out and made one wire go to the common one that just goes through the whole thing here. Then the other wire go to the two wires that have LEDs on them. So yeah, I'll do that to all of them. This one has 4 wires coming out, so hopefully it's one common wire and 3 others. And I'll just do the same thing with the 3 wires and the 1. I should mention that this bag, this box, everything under here, all the stuff under here, not that, but a lot of the stuff, all the stuff on this shelf, it's all on my to-do list of things to repair or dismantle. Hopefully everything goes as smoothly as the lights. Ugh. It's gonna be a while before I work my way all the way up to that stuff. This is like a couple years of accumulation of stuff. You know, basically I've been building house and just putting all this stuff aside. Now the house is up. Yeah, I just want to like get through some of this stuff. Alright, let's check this one. Oh, purple! Cool. Oh, not a bad start. Boy, I have a lot of stuff to go through down there. Ooh, I got this broken thing from someone, and I may be able to fix it. Ah, of course I can fix it. Oh, let's see what's wrong with it first. Ooh, that's nice.